Hey, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you how to make an easy shirt dress. All right, so I got these shirts from Walmart. I was in there looking for a few food items and I found these for $3 each. So I was like, okay, let me use these. They have a little bit of stretch to them, but the shirts that you use do not have to have a little bit of stretch to them. These are women's shirts, but you can also use men's shirts. All right, so first, I wanted to just decide how I wanted to piece them together because I wanted to do a color block look. I didn't know if I wanted to do side by side or up and down. I ended up wanting to do side by side, and then I was thinking about what I'm going to do with the cuffs of the sleeves once I was done. All right, so once I determined what I was going to do with it, I cut the shirts in half along the back side because the front is already in half because it opens up with the buttons. So like I said, you could do this with any shirt and you just cut down in the center of the back of each shirt. So then you'll have 4 pieces total, and then you'll take your 2 pieces that you want to make the top of the shirt, and you see you'll put one side with buttonholes and one side with buttons so that you can line it up and match it, and then put right side to right side along the back and sew it straight down so that you just make a shirt. So once you're done, you could stop it here and have a shirt. And for that piece there that you're going to see in the back when you fold down your collar, you can sew that down nicely once you finish off your seam real good. Or you could do like a binding strip or something there to finish it off so it looks nice and even. Now you're going to move on to sewing the bottom. For the bottom, I just took and cut straight under the armpit on each of the other 2 pieces that were remaining, buttoned them up like I did the front, and then lined up the back right side to right side and sewed straight down to get the bottom piece. While you're doing this, if you need adjustments on the shirt, if you didn't get the shirt that fits you the way that you want, you can make your adjustments in the back would be good so that you didn't have any extra seams or any tightness in the armpits when you're putting the pieces together. So you want to try it on in between so that you can make sure you're getting the right fit. All right, so once I have the 2 pieces that I need together, then I'm just going to cut along the bottom hem of the shirt so that I can line up the bottom piece that I made with the top piece. And then I'm doing, like I said, a color block look, and I'm lining up like white side to black side and black side to white side, and just making sure everything is good there. And then I'm going to sew straight along that with it right side to right side. Okay, so now that I've done that, that's basically it for the shirt dress. You can leave it like that if you want, and you can see that piece there where the buttons are kind of close together. I left that there. You can adjust it, but you want to make sure that your buttons are evenly spaced out. The way that I'm going to wear this is belted so that the top has a blousey look and the bottom is more of a skirt look, or you could add elastic along that in the inside to give it a bunched up look. But for the way that I'm going to wear it, the spacing was all right. So then I moved on to the sleeves part because I want those to have a color block look too. So I cut off the bottom of each of the other sleeves, and then I'm just trying to figure out where I want to place them. However you place them, you want to make sure that you leave the opening so that you can get in and out the sleeves. And once you figure out how you want to place them, you just want to narrow little hem or seam there or what have you so that you can still button and open and close the cuffs. Because if you overlap it, then you won't be able to open and close the top ones. All right, so that's it. And you can see how it is there with it belted and cinched in at the waist so that it kind of looks like a 2-piece, but it still looks like a dress. And it gives you that cute like mock look, and you still have the color block style. If you like, please give it a big old thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.